In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round numbers in Google Sheets to 2 decimal places. Whether you're creating a report, managing your expenses, or simply trying to make your spreadsheets look cleaner and more professional, rounding numbers can be a handy skill to have. Let's dive into how you can do this with just a few clicks. First things first, we need to start by opening your Google Sheet. Make sure you've logged into your Google account and navigated to the sheet where your data is stored, or you can simply create a new spreadsheet if you just want to practice along with me. Once your sheet is open and ready, let's find the numbers that you need to round. Typically, these will be in cells where you're dealing with calculations or where precision is required, yet you're looking for a simpler, cleaner presentation. Go ahead and highlight or select the cells that contain the numbers you want to modify. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the cells. If your numbers are scattered across different parts of the sheet, you can hold down the Command key on a Mac or the Control key on a Windows computer to select multiple cells at once. It's worth mentioning here that selecting the correct range of cells is crucial because the rounding action we'll take will apply to all the selected cells. Once you've highlighted your desired cells, turn your attention to the toolbar near the top of your screen. You'll see several icons, but the ones we're interested in resemble 0.0, pasa 00, which are the increase and decrease decimal places buttons. For our purposes today, we will be focusing on the decrease decimal places button. Click on the decrease decimal places icon repeatedly. Each time you click, you'll notice the numbers in your selected cells change, reducing the number of decimal places. Continue clicking until you see only 2 decimal places next to the decimal point. By doing this simple adjustment, your data will not only look tidier, but also be more digestible, especially in situations where a high level of detail is unnecessary. Remember, this method is perfect for maintaining the integrity of your data presentation while ensuring clear communication in reports that others might be viewing. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Practice this skill with different datasets so it becomes second nature to you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on Google Sheets and other productivity tools.